Hi everyone, welcome to Streamline Services. Today I'm excited to guide you through downloading and setting up the Tivimate application for Firestick. Go to search and type here, downloader. You will get this orange application, download and open the application. Press OK to accept terms and conditions, and press OK to accept access media. Go to the search area and type this code here. We will provide the code in the description as well. Go to Go. Either directly click on Settings or press the Home button. Go to Extreme Right Settings and go to My FireTV. Press OK 7 times on About. You will get this small notification. Press the OK button 4.3, 2.1 times and no need. Then press the back button, go to Developer Option Switch on this ABD option. Then go to Install Unknown Apps from this source and switch on the downloader. Click on Install. After a couple of seconds, another white screen will appear. Click on Open. The application will open. Click on Add Playlist, then select the third option, Stalker Portal. You will get this screen where you will see lots of options. Click on Server Address and contact us on WhatsApp to get the URL of our portal. Type that URL over here. Make sure you type the exact URL since URLs are case sensitive. Then press Next. You will see a MAC address. Now wait till the portal reload. It will take a couple of extra seconds. Sometimes you will get an error. In that case, press the back button 2 times. You will be back to add a playlist page. Repeat the steps, retype the same URL, and then click on Next. Then wait. When you get all these numbers on the left of the screen showing the amount of content that we provide, press the right arrow key and press OK on Done. It will take a couple of seconds and you will be good to go. Your services are activated. In the free version of Tivimate, users can only access the live TV section. Let me show you around the service. By default, you will be in the TV section. You will find all the live TV channels, and they are categorized according to the languages. You can see we provide a wide variety of languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Punjabi, Urdu, and many more. You can play any channel and explore our extensive content library. Select the language you want to watch and press OK on the channel and it will start playing. We have a separate section for sports and news where you'll find live sports matches, recordings, and PPV content all in one place. Just select the category and you will be good to go. You can get all these entertainment solutions for just $15. We also provide a 24-hour free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee. To get the trial, contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you. See you later.